when you would like to purchase a camera for your car, you have to know the purpose why you would like to. Usually it is the problem when you have a car accident and coincidentally the car in front of you stop, or you hit the animal. You need some proof for insurance company. It is happens like you describe it, and this is the reason why the most of the people are installing the front camera to the car. You can buy the standard one, which will just sticking on the glass and looks ugly from my point of view, or you can choose something what will be installed and looks like part of the car, and can have example the camera over here. And this is the way which we are choosing. But before you will purchase this kind of the camera, it is good to know which model of the car you have or which equipment on the car you have, because is there the several different shapes, different style. And for me, I have to looking for camera which is counting with this big frame. And when I'm checking, it will be connected directly from the equipment which is for this car, because here is the highest equipment from BMW, and I am sure I have inside the connection for power for camera. When you will buy the dash camera for front view of your car, it will arrive something like this to you. It is there the frame where is sitting the camera itself, tool for open it, the original one, the cable for connect between the dashboard and your camera, and if you are ordering, then it is arriving with the small SD card as well. As a first moment, when you already have a camera and you want to install it, you need to put out the original covers. We will start, as was suggested, directly from the supplier with this first cover. After that, continue with this part. When I want to put down this, it's usually good to use a tool, don't scratch it, and start from this side. When you have done first part, you can see this frame, it is connected from two parts, which we need just a splitting from each other. Which was sitting together here. Just split them with the tool, but it is keeping really soft, and even the fingers is enough. After this moment, you can see it, you have entry for cables, which we will using for power supply for the camera itself. As a first, we will connecting to original cable this adapter. For to do it is necessary disconnect these two slots here. So first, and original going to there. Okay, right now we have prepared the power supply and signal transfer from the camera. When I take the camera, it is only one thing which is necessary to do here. It's a connection. Take care for it's clicked the connectors and these 2 points, after that you are sure it is connected well. And only one thing which is staying for us when you see it is the already active. Put it everything back with the frames. We will start from this side. And moving to here. Okay, when all part is clicked well, camera is sitting properly on the place. Right now, just pull under the cover the last parts of the cables. Like this. And final moment, put back the final small cover, which is going on this way in. Done. Your camera is on place. Right now what we can do it is after that just open in the smartphone the application, put inside here the memory card, and we can, while driving well, with the possibility have a proof in case of the accident, it is safe. When it is everything installed well, you have on your phone and directly on the screen the camera. And as you see it, I can see everything what it is front of my car. And in the case of a car accident, I have automatically proof because the camera have the loop for recording everything. Last final part, showing how it is that camera look from outside. See, is there nothing obvious? It looks like part of the car.